So another tip for living cheap in Thailand is get used to Thai food. I know for a lot of foreigners, they wind up spending a lot of money on food because they find it a bit difficult to get used to eating Thai food. And Thai food is going to be a lot less rich and have a lot less protein. But if you learn to get used to it, eating out, eating at home is going to be a lot cheaper. And if you learn the food, you'll find out which dishes are going to be a bit richer and have that extra protein. For me, I've realized that the normal Thai diet of rice and noodles is not very good for my health. So I have learned that I need more protein, but I still eat Thai food. And what I've learned is there's a few dishes that I can order, particularly one lap mu, which is a ground pork dish with garlic and lemon. And at almost any Thai restaurant, you can have them throw a fried egg on top for 10 baht. So that's a big suggestion. Get used to eating Thai food, or food's going to be a lot more expensive in Thailand.